Oh my God. Emotional. Amazing performances. Unbelievable.
So good.
Exhilarating, dreamy.
Incredible.
Fantastic, amazing, and goosebumps.
She drags me there. I didn't want to go, but I really enjoy it.
Fantastic, absolutely amazing.
Brilliant, absolutely fantastic.
Exciting.
Fabulous.
Glamorous.
Absolutely amazing. The singers, the music, the production.
One night only,
I'll be telling everybody to come and watch it, and in particular the last scene before the end of the first act was really emotional. It was phenomenal.
Turn off. Tears.
It's 5 stars.
Book it right
Book
now.
straight away.